Peace family, what's going on? It's your boy Billion Dollar Bev. Just wanted to hop on here real quick to let y'all know what's going on with this CMOS gel that I had ordered from Holistic Vibes. I am an affiliate with them, so you can use the discount code Kevin Davis. I'll put the link down below or whatever, so you can go ahead and get your little discounts. I ordered the Wellness Trio CMOS gel because I wasn't sure which flavors. I just wanted to try all three before I went and put the stuff out there without, having my knowledge down packed. So what you get in the trio pack, you get the St. Lucia Gold Elderberry, you get the Soursop infused gel, and you get the Electric Dragon. So I just received mine this morning. Well, actually about like 30 minutes ago. So we just gonna do an unboxing right now. And it came UPS, it came hella late due to Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all that stuff. Today is December 8th. I ordered it November 31st, I wanna say. So it came a little late. They say 3 to 5 days, but due to the Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and all that bullshit, that it would come a little late as it did. But it, still cool. I gotta hurry up and put this in the fridge. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. A nice little blade. Nice little bubble plastic. So three in here. It comes with a nice little thank you for your purchase card. This is dope. I appreciate y'all. Alright, so let's see what we got. We got the nice little bubble packaging. I see that it is still cold. It is still cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the fridge as soon as we get this open. This little double packaging. This is really, really secure, which I like that. Good packaging right here. Let's get this thing open without killing ourselves. So first it was wrapped in that bubble wrap. And then it's wrapped in this saran wrap, and then wrapped again in this shit. So they make sure, it's the package joint. So they really make sure that it doesn't break anything on the way here. So what we got here, the first one, I think this is the St. Lucia Elderberry, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Wildcraft St. Lucia Gold. Man, this is dope. There you go. It's the first one we got. It's the Elderberry Gold. Word. Yeah, I'm really excited about this, man. As you can see, I'm looking a little rough. I'm coming over depression, suicidals, a lot of stress. I lost about 30 pounds. I'm 6'1" and I'm at like 162 pounds. So I've been doing a lot of meditation, trying to eat right, keep my heart as light as possible. And this one got the last two in it right here. Man, I love the way they package this shit. It's fucking dope. And this is the elderberry right here. Like I said, these shits are still cold, man. Still cold. Not sure when they shipped it out. Okay, and they put the little box in between them so they don't break. Cool. And last but not least, we got the Electric Dragon. Word. This shit look good. Can't wait to try that. Word. I love the packaging, Holistic Vibes. This is dope, man. I just hope it tastes as good as it looks. You know, I'm an affiliate, so I gotta make sure the product is A1. And that's what we gonna do here. I hope y'all follow me on this journey, because what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna, you know, I lost a lot of weight. I'm looking crazy. I'm real skinny. Real skinny. This is what 160 pounds looks like on me, you know. I'll give y'all a, you know, once I get in the gym, which I start tomorrow. 6 a.m., nice and early. Yeah, man, and I hope y'all follow my journey. Follow, you know, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. What you guys, you know, of course I'm going to do a taste test with these. That'll be on the next video. Do a taste test on all three. And, you know, that's the unpackaging. Holistic Vibes, man. Discount code Kevin Davis. I think it's all in one, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll list it down below. And thank you. Peace.